Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are ready: Android Studio, SDK, and a Firebase account. Create a new Android project and pick your language. Once done, open the Firebase console and register an Android app using your exact package name. Add the app's SHA1 if you plan to use auth or dynamic links. Make sure the Firebase project region fits your users. This begins the connection sequence and prevents common identity or build mismatches later. Next, download the Google services. JSON file from Firebase and place it in the app/folder folder. This supplies your API keys and project ID. Then edit Gradle. Add the Google services class path to the project-level build file and apply the plugin in the app module. Add Firebase BOM or explicit dependencies like auth, Firestore, or analytics to the app Gradle and sync. This wiring ensures your app compiles against the correct Firebase SDK versions and links runtime configuration automatically. Finally, initialize Firebase in your application class or main activity with Firebase app. Initialize app, this, or rely on auto in it. Verify integration by making a small call such as sign in anonymously or writing a test Firestore document. Observe logcat for confirmation. If something fails, inspect Google services. JSON placement and contents, confirm package name, and SHA1 match Firebase, and resync Gradle. Also review runtime errors in logcat. Most issues are misconfigured JSON, missing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.